Good morning student, I am Rahul Soni. Today we are going to do an experiment of volumetric analysis. In volumetric analysis, we measure the quantity in terms of concentration. For this we do titration. In titration, we determine the concentration of unknown solution with the help of the solution of known concentration. Now, aim of our experiment is to determination of strength of a given solution of HCl by titrating it against standard sodium bicarbonate solution. Now, this experiment we divided into three parts. First, we prepare the standard sodium bicarbonate solution. Then we do the titration process. Then observation and calculation. For this experiment, we required various apparatus. We required burette. This is 50 ml burette, pipette, standard volumetric flask, beaker, conical flask, wash bottle, watch glass, and funnel. Now, chemical required are sodium carbonate, HCl, methylorine, and this is the weighing balance. Now, first we prepare 100 ml of m by 20 standard solution of sodium carbonate. We use the molarity formula. The molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by volume of solute. It is in liter. Now we have to prepare 1 by 20 molar solution. Now moles of solute is equal to weight upon molar weight into volume of solute. We prepare 100 ml and this is given in liter. So we convert it into liter by dividing 1000. Now we rearrange the equation. Weight is equal to now molar weight of sodium bicarbonate is 106. So we write it 106. Now weight is equal to 1 by 20 into 106 into 100 divided by 1000. So 53 by 100 is equal to 0.53 gram. So this much amount of sodium bicarbonate we have to weigh in weighing balance. So we take this amount in we take the sodium carbonate into the watch glass and weigh in weighing balance. Then after this we transfer it into the 100 ml standard volumetric flask. Then we dissolve the crystal with the help of distilled water and we make up the solution up to 100 ml. Now this is the m by 20 100 ml of standard sodium bicarbonate solution. Now after this we take unknown solution of hydrochloric acid. This solution we fill in burette. This is burette, 50 ml burette. First we wash this burette with distilled water, then we rinse it with the hydrochloric acid. Now after rinsing we fill the solution, hydrochloric acid solution, by using funnel. Now we add the solution above 0 mark. So we take some extra solution and now we drain out the extra solution. And we see the lower meniscus because it is colorless solution, and for color solution we see the upper meniscus. So this is the 0 reading and this is the 50 reading. Now after this we take a conical flask. First we wash this conical flask with distilled water and note the solution we use to wash the conical flask. And after this we take 10 ml pipette. This is the pipette and we take the prepared sodium bicarbonate solution, 10 ml of sodium bicarbonate solution into the conical flask. Now after this we add 1 or 2 ml of methyl orange indicator. Now this is the basic solution. So the methyl orange give yellow color with base. This is the basic salt, and now we do the titration process. Now at the neutralization or at the end point, this yellow color converted into red color. So we start titration by adding drop by drop solution of HCl, and we continuously shake the conical flask while adding or while pouring the solution from burette. Now this is red color. This is red color. Now how much amount of HCl we use? It is equal to 11 ml. Now this is the observation table in which we write the initial volume of HCl taken, and this is the final volume of HCl. So we start from 0. So we write it 0 ml, and the final volume is 11 ml. So we subtract the final minus initial in order to get the value of HCl solution used. Now 11 minus 0, 11 ml. Now we take 2 or more reading in order to get the identical reading. So we suppose we take 2 more reading. We start from 11 ml. This is the initial reading, and suppose the final reading with 21 ml. We take 1 more reading. We start from 21, and our final reading is, suppose it comes 31 ml. So 21 minus 11 ml is equal to 10 ml, and 31 minus 21 is again 10 ml. And this is the identical reading. It is also known as concordant reading. So if the concordant reading not comes, we take 1 or 2 more reading till the concordant reading comes. Now this volume of HCl we use for calculation purpose. Now this is a reaction in which 1 mole of sodium carbonate react with 2 mole of HCl, and it gives 2 mole of NaCl, 1 mole of carbon dioxide, and 1 mole of water. Now 1 mole of sodium carbonate react with 2 mole of HCl. We use M1V1 is equal to M2V2 formula. Now this M1V1 is for acid, and this M2V2 is for sodium carbonate. Now we balance the equation by cross multiplying. This HCl is multiplied by 1, and this is multiplied by 2. So this molarity of HCl we have to find out, and the volume of HCl is volume taken from the burette. It comes from the concordant reading. Now suppose this reading is 10 ml. Now M2, this reading may vary. Now the M2 is the molarity of sodium sodium carbonate. It is equal to 1 by 20, and the volume of sodium carbonate, this volume comes from the pipette. We have taken 10 ml solution, so we write it 10 ml. Now molarity of HCl is equal to 2 M2V2 upon V1. Now put the value. M2 is equal to 1 by 20. Volume of sodium bicarbonate 10 ml upon V1 10 ml. It is equal to 1 by 10 or 0.1 molarity of HCl. So molarity of HCl is 0.1 molar. Now we calculate the strength of HCl. Now strength of HCl is equal to molarity of HCl into molar mass of HCl. Now molarity of HCl 1 by 10 or molar mass, it is fixed value 36.5. So the strength of HCl is equal to 3.65 gram per liter. Now this is an answer. Now precaution. For this experiment, while pouring the solution into the burette with the help of funnel, we immediately remove the funnel from burette, and if any air bubbles remain inside the burette, we have to remove the air bubbles also. Now never close the end of pipette with the help of thumb, and never suck the hot and corrosive solution with the help of pipette. Thank you.